Hey guys, just want to share with you our truck bed setup. We have two trucks just like this. Well, not exactly like this, but set up the same way. We do mostly roof moss removal, gutter cleaning, and some house washing, but we do Christmas light installation as well. We do pressure washing, driveways, things like that. But I just want to kind of show you the setup, how you can fit everything in a truck bed. So there we've got our pressure washer set up. So we've got the machine, the pump, unloader, the connector there to the 35-gallon buffer tank, connector there for the garden hose, and then we've got our hoses. And then I don't use a whole lot of chems, but when I do, I just have a 5-gallon bucket right there, and I just batch mix, and it works great. So if you see where the chemical line goes there, and then right there is a little rinse valve, so it's plumbed to the buffer tank, and I can turn that little valve to rinse the ball valve. Got a remote ball valve box here. Built that, a couple $100 to build, probably $400 to buy one like that. And then as far as cost goes, the whole setup here for the pressure washer, the pump, all the fittings, the buffer tank, probably around $2,200. The hoses and the reels, probably another $500, so $2,700 probably there. Here we have a sewer jetter snake to clean out underground drains, and then behind that have some extra hose. Got some cones. Got the quick connect there, so that if I need to take the pump off, I don't have to unplumb everything. Got the filter, inline filter there, and then the ball valve to turn the water on and off. Let's go over here. So for the gutter cleaning, all of our gutter cleaning tools are in here. Brushes, things like that, scoops, spoons, all that kind of stuff. And then over here, got just extra stuff in this crate, and some moss killer, some bags, extra fittings. We have our gutter stick downspout filters, which are great. Got fuel, got some railings for our 28-foot ladder when we do a lot of apartment complex gutters. And then here just have some Klingon, which is a thickening agent for roof cleaning. And then we have some eliminator for house washing, and then 2 gallons of bleach. And if I'm doing like a big job, I'll throw in a couple more crates of bleach, SH there. So just some hand tools here. And then up above, we've got our ladders. We've got a 28-footer here, a 20-footer there, and then a 16-footer. And we do use the stabilizer bars that you see there, and then we upgraded them to the those pads that last a long time. But yeah, just strapped on there. In the summertime, I drink a bunch of water, so we attached a little 5-gallon water cooler. And then I'll show you some of our gear that we keep back here. So we've got Cougar paws. Those are great. A couple blowers in there, a little toolbox with extra parts and tools. Got a measuring wheel there. I've got a couple of ropes, safety ropes. I've got a safety harness there. Usually have another one hanging, but I left it in the other truck. Let me show you this other side here. But anyway, it's a great setup. Very compact, and it's done really well. It's enough to support 3 guys doing it, so that's been cool. And then in here we've got some more safety gear. We've got this little wedge here. It's called a pitch hopper. Really good tool. Got a couple of SRL lifelines. Those are self-retracting lifelines. Really good, expensive but worth it. And then we've got our permanent roof anchors right here, and our gear to be able to install permanent roof anchors. With the exception of apartment complexes, we typically will put a permanent roof anchor in every 2-story home that we go on, and that way we're safe that day, but we're also safe when we do it again. So anyway, that's the setup. And I don't know exactly how much I have in it, but probably around 10 grand total, including the truck. I got the truck for a good deal, but yeah, that's my setup, and I hope that maybe it's inspiring to you.